the number that essentially an investor needs when it comes to fix and flips. 70. Don't go any
Yeah.
higher than 75. If you say 85, definite no. It's so it's a 70% rule.
Mm.
75, good luck. There are people that will buy that, but you always want to stay around the 70% rule. I'm gonna share you my screen. We're gonna look at my table right now. So this is my spreadsheet that I run for all my deals. So under here is the asking price of a property. So we're just gonna use we use this one here as an example. Let me just highlight this a different color. Okay, so we're looking at this green one here. So the purchase price here, uh, the number of bedrooms, ideally, we want to stay around the 3.2 number. Um, Estimated repair values. Okay, so what we're gonna do to get the 70% rule, for us to make that 70% rule, for there to be enough room for the investor to make any type of money, this is the absolute most that they're gonna want to offer on the property. So the ARV is the after repair value. That's a value, so that's the number that you're going to use to start off with, and that's the number that you're going to multiply by 70%, and then you're going to minus the renovation cost. So that right there will give you the max offer that you want to offer. So max allowable offer, which you'll see people write the MAO. That's what you're going to give or
Oh,
offer at
perfect.
least to. You're going to offer that to the seller, and this is what's estimated for the investor. Now, I'm going to show you another method that I use for myself as this is what for me as a buyer, this is what I need. So I need a minimum of $50,000 profit on every deal. So we're going to use the same deal, 275, okay? So we're going to go 275, and instead of multiplying it by 70, I'm going to multiply it by 78. So the reason why I did 78 was 70 is the 70% rule. 8% is used for closing costs, holding costs, and all the other fees when you sell the property, realtor fees, all that stuff. That works out to be 8%. So I already added that in to the 70% rule. So that's why I multiplied it by 78. And then from there, we're going to minus, and then we're going to minus how much that I need. I need to make at least 50,000 on the property. So that is the max that I will need to buy the property for me to be able to make 50,000 after paying all of the